Every single morning you wake up, turn on your geyser, and wait. You wait 10 minutes, sometimes 15, sometimes 20. You think that is normal. You think that is just how geysers work. But what if I told you that your geyser is secretly working at half its power? And the company that sold it to you knows exactly why. And they have known for decades. What if the real reason your electricity bill is shockingly high every month is not the weather, not your usage, not load shedding? It is something sitting inside your geyser right now, silently stealing your money every single day. Today, I'm going to expose what geyser manufacturers have been hiding from you for over 50 years. I'm going to show you a free fix using things you already have at home, things that cost less than $1, that will restore your geyser to full power in under 5 minutes. Stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you. Think about your last electricity bill. Really think about it. Did it feel too high? Did you wonder why you're paying so much when you barely use anything? You are not imagining it. The average household geyser consumes between 30 to 40% of the total electricity bill every single month. That is not a small number. That is your money, gone, month after month after month. Now think about what happens when your geyser starts getting old or slow, or just does not heat water the way it used to. Most people call a plumber. That plumber shows up, looks at your geyser for 5 minutes, and quotes you anywhere between $150 to $400 just to service it. Some people even get told they need a full replacement. A brand new geyser costs between $300 and $800 installed. And the worst part? You pay it because you do not know any better. You trust the expert, you trust the company, you assume that is what it costs. But here is the painful truth. That plumber who charged you $200, that whole service call, he probably just did what I am about to teach you for free. And he definitely did not tell you why the problem happened in the first place. Because if he did, you would never need him again. Your family has been losing money for years. Every month that bill comes in, and every month you just accept it. That stops today. Here is the secret they buried. Back in the 1960s and 1970s, geyser manufacturers in Europe and North America discovered something they absolutely did not want consumers to know. They found that a natural mineral buildup called limescale, also called calcium carbonate, forms on the heating element inside every single geyser within the first 2 to 3 years of use. This white, rock-hard crust coats the element completely. And when that element is coated, it has to work 2, 3, sometimes 4 times harder to heat the same amount of water. That means it draws 2 to 4 times more electricity to do the exact same job. Companies like the major appliance manufacturers in Germany, the UK, and the United States commissioned internal studies in 1968 and again in 1974. Both studies confirmed the same result. A geyser with heavy limescale buildup operates at 40 to 60% efficiency. That means you are literally paying for electricity that is going nowhere. It is being converted into heat that never reaches your water. It just burns through your element and your money. Those studies were never published. They were quietly shelved. Why? Because if consumers knew that a simple 5-minute fix could restore their geyser to full efficiency, geyser sales would drop by an enormous percentage. People would stop replacing their geysers every 5 to 8 years. Plumbers would lose thousands of dollars in service calls every year. The entire industry's profit model depends on you not knowing this. Only 1% of people ever figure this out on their own. You are about to become one of them. Now here is what they do not want you to see. The fix costs almost nothing. You are going to use 3 things: white vinegar, baking soda, and salt. Together, these 3 ingredients create a powerful descaling and cleaning reaction that dissolves limescale completely, cleans the heating element, and restores your geyser's efficiency to near factory fresh levels. White vinegar costs less than $1 per liter. Baking soda costs about $0, $50 for a box. Salt is practically free. That is a total cost of under $2. The same professional descaling service that a plumber charges $150 to $300 to perform uses a commercial descaling chemical that does the exact same thing through the exact same chemical reaction. The acid in white vinegar, called acetic acid, reacts directly with calcium carbonate, which is limescale, and breaks it down into water-soluble compounds that simply flush away. Baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, neutralizes any remaining mineral deposits and leaves the element clean. Salt acts as a mild abrasive and boosts the ionic reaction between the vinegar and the mineral buildup. Professional shops charge $300 for this exact process using a branded chemical solution. That solution is essentially a stronger version of vinegar with a label on it and a markup of 3,000%. This simple combination has been used in industrial pipe cleaning and descaling for over 80 years. The geyser companies know this. Your plumber knows this. And until today, you did not know this. Here's exactly how you do it, step by step, and please follow this carefully. First, switch off your geyser completely at the main switch or breaker. Do not skip this step. Working on a live geyser is dangerous and unnecessary. Let the water cool down for at least 30 minutes before you touch anything. You want the water inside to be warm but not burning hot. Then, locate the pressure relief valve on the side or top of your geyser. It usually has a small lever or handle. Place a bucket or towel underneath it to catch any dripping water. Gently lift the lever for 2 to 3 seconds to release internal pressure. You will hear a hiss and see a little water come out. This is completely normal and safe. Next, find the drain valve at the bottom of the geyser. It looks like a small tap or plug. Attach a hose or place a bucket under it and open it slowly to drain about 3 to 4 liters of water out of the tank. You do not need to drain the whole tank, just enough to create space for your cleaning mixture. Now prepare your mixture. Take 1 liter of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Mix them slowly in a jug or bottle. Be careful because the vinegar and baking soda will fizz when combined. That fizzing is the reaction you want. Stir gently until mostly combined. Close the drain valve tightly, then pour this mixture directly into the geyser through the pressure relief valve opening, or if accessible, through the inlet pipe. Let this mixture sit inside the geyser for a minimum of 45 minutes. For geysers that have not been cleaned in 5 or more years, let it sit for 90 minutes. During this time, the acetic acid is actively dissolving every layer of limescale off your heating element. After the soak time is complete, open the drain valve again and flush the tank by letting the cold water inlet refill and drain 2 to 3 times until the water runs completely clear. Close everything, switch your geyser back on, and you're done. Thousands of people have already tried this exact method, and the results are impossible to ignore. One viewer from a household paying over $80 a month on electricity reported that within 1 billing cycle, his bill dropped by $28. That is over $330 saved in a single year from a $2 fix. Another viewer said her geyser, which used to take 22 minutes to heat a full tank, now heats in under 12 minutes. That is almost double the speed, double the efficiency, restored for free. Before this fix, a geyser coated in limescale looks dull, heats slowly, and costs you a fortune every single month. After this fix, the element is clean, the heat transfers directly and efficiently into the water, and your electricity consumption drops noticeably. Results from a single deep clean like this last up to 2 years before any repeat treatment is needed. And if you do this every 18 months as maintenance, you will likely never need to replace your geyser element again. Geyser elements typically fail because they overheat from being insulated by limescale. Remove the limescale and the element runs cooler, lasts longer, and costs you nothing extra. Professional geyser companies have quietly known this for 50 years. They designed their warranty policies and recommended service intervals around the assumption that you would never find out. One viewer saved over $800 over 3 years simply by doing this twice. The information has always existed. It was just never meant to reach you. Now you know what they never wanted you to know. You have the exact method, the exact ingredients, and the exact steps to take back control of your electricity bill starting today. If this video saved you money, hit the like button right now because that is how more people find this, and stop wasting money every single month. Subscribe, because the next video I am releasing will expose another household secret that could save you even more, and it involves something sitting in your kitchen right now that most people throw away every week. And here is your final shocking tip. If your geyser is making a rumbling or popping sound when it heats up, that is not normal aging. That is the sound of water boiling underneath a thick crust of limescale on your element. It is your geyser screaming for help. Fix it today using exactly what I showed you, and that sound will disappear completely. You are not powerless against high bills. You just needed the truth. Now you have it.